Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. In previous lecture, we have already discussed the secondary memory, input and output devices. Today, we will see the topic software, operating system, types of operating system and their functions. Here, first point, software. Software is a set of programs which is designed to perform a well-defined function. A program is a sequence of instructions written to solve a particular problem. Okay. Software is a set of programs that instruct the computer about the tasks to be performed. Software tells the computer how the tasks are to be performed. Software is a set of programs. Okay. The instruction or a program that are required to operate the hardware are known as software. Software cannot be seen or touched. Software is not the physical part, rather they are logical part of a computer system. For example, operating system, compiler, assembler, etc. are the software. There are two types of software. First is system software. Second is application software. In system software, it provides basic functionality to the computer. System software is required for the working of computer itself. Example of the system software is utility software, system server, device driver, operating system is the most important system software. GUI system. Okay. Next is the application software. The software that a user uses for accomplish a specific task is the application software. Application software may be a single program or a set of programs. Example of this software is Microsoft Suite for product like MS Word, Excel, internet browsers like Firefox, Chrome, multimedia software, educational software, tally software, etc. are the application software. Okay, so clear the concept of software. Next point, operating system. An operating system is a layer of software which take care of technical aspect of a computer operation. An operating system is a program act as an interface between the software and the computer hardware. So, operating system is a system software. It is the important part of the computer system. Without operating system, computer cannot work. Operating system is a specialized software that control and monitor the execution of all the other programs that reside in the computer, including application program and other system software. Okay. An operating system is a collection of software that manage computer hardware resource and provide the common services for computer program. It is the important component of the system software of a computer system. Application program usually require a operating system to a functions. Okay. And for hardware functions such as the input, output and memory allocation, the operating system act as an intermediate between the program and the computer hardware. Although the application code is usually executed directly by the hardware and will frequently make a system call to an OS functions or be interrupted by it. Okay. Operating system can be found on almost any device that contain a computer, from cellular phone and the video game, etc. Okay. Most popular operating system used in India are Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8, Linux, Unix, Windows Vista, and many more like Android, Windows 10, etc. Okay. Next point, types of operating system. There are different types of operating system. First, multi-user. In this operating system, it allows more than one user to run the program simultaneously. A multi-user operating system allows for multiple users to use the same computer at the same time and the different times. Some examples of the multi-user operating system are Linux, Unix, and Windows 2000. This is the multi-user operating system. Next, multiprocessing. In this operating system, it allows running a program on the more than one CPU simultaneously. Multiprocessing operating system is capable of supporting and utilizing more than one computer processor. Some examples of this operating system are Linux, Unix, Windows 2000. Next, multitasking. It allows executing more than one task at the same time. An operating system that is capable of allowing multiple software processes to run at the same time. Example of this operating system is Unix, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista, etc. is the multitasking operating system. Next is multi-threading. It allows different parts of the single program to run concurrently. Multi-threading operating system allows different parts of a software program to run concurrently. These operating systems that will fall into this category are the Linux, Unix, and the Windows 2000. Next is real time. It has to finish the task within the deadline and the respond to input instantly. Real-time operating system is the operating system intended to serve real-time application request. Okay. The processing time requirement are the measured in tenth of the second or the shorter. So, these all are the types of the operating system. Next point, functions of operating system. Here is all are the functions of operating system. First is processor management. A program in execution is a process which require resources such as a CPU time, memory, file, input or output device to complete its task. These resources are given to process at the time of its creation or while it is running. The implementation of a program occurs in a sequence, that is CPU implementation. One instruction of the process after another get completed. Only one instruction is implemented as per the process. Two processes may be associated with the same program, but they are implemented sequentially or separately. These functions handled by operating system are control access to share resources like the file, memory, input output and the CPU. It also create, executed and delete a process or cancel, resume a process. Next is memory management. With regard to memory management, an operating system performs the different activities like keep track of memory in use by whom and also a part of memory that is not in use. In case of multiprogramming, decide which process will get memory space and how much of it. Memory recovery when a process no longer need to or the process has been completed. Okay. It keep track of primary memory, which parts of it are the used by whom, which parts are not in use, etc. These functions handled by operating system are allocate, deallocate, free memory, etc. Next is file management. File management is the main objective of an operating system. Information on the computer can be stored in various physical media like magnetic tape, disk, and optical discs. An operating system is responsible for the storage of information in a constant logical view. An operating system creates and stores files on physical storage media and access them through the different storage devices. The file management tasks include create and delete both file and directories, and provide access to the file, allocate the space for file, and secure file, etc. Next function is device management. Keep track of all the devices. This is also called as the input-output controller. Okay. And these device management tasks handled by the operating system are open, close, and write the device driver, and communicate, control, and monitor the device driver. Next is protection and security. Operating system protect the resources of system. User authentication, file attribute like read, write, encryption, and backup of data are used by operating system to provide basic protection. It means password and similar other technique preventing unauthorized access to the program and data. Protection is a method that controls the accessibility of a program, process, and the user to the resources of a computer system. Operating system can be used to protect resources as well as for the securing computer system. Last function is the user interface or the command interpreter. Operating system provides an interface between the computer user and the computer hardware. The user interface is a set of commands or a graphical user interface through which the user interact with the applications and the hardware. Okay. So, this is the main functions of operating system. This is the very important question of this unit. So, today we are covered the topic software, operating system, types of operating system, functions of operating system, etc. Thank you.